easy to use and pre-screen before they select a fixture and design the street lighting. I can tell you how to use it. I mean, show you how to how easy is it to use. So this is your start page when you open up your Excel sheet, and when you click on next, you have different parameters that you need to input. So whenever you see a yellow box, you know that you have to enter the values there. So basically, the two systems that we use data for, the North American method or IES and the European method or a CIE. So here in this tool, we have the capability to use both the standards. So suppose I use both to make an analysis for street lighting design, and I go down and I want to select the road geometry. So just click on road geometry, and then you have baseline. I just enter random figures like 4 lanes, 6, 2. These are random figures. So once you enter your figure for a baseline and you want to see how it looks, you can just click on update baseline. So there's again a problem. Sorry, I couldn't take you before to the basics. You have to enable your macros before you can use this tool. I think this Excel is locked for some reason. In any case, I'll just show you what to do. Basically, when you enter your baseline, the inputs, and you want to see your road geometry, if you create on the update baseline view, you can easily see the road structure. So I'm sorry it's not being on this laptop. Maybe I don't have time to use my laptop to show you how it looks. And once you know the baseline, you probably want to go to a new fixture. You can enter figures in upgrade and then see your actual views from there.
ऊपर ऑप्शंस है ना नीचे सिक्योरिटी वार्निंग लिखा है ना जहाँ यहाँ ऑप्शंस ओके इनेबल बस ओके
See, so this is the road geometry that you can see right now. This is basically your lanes and median and the street light, which are like yellow spots below. And now you do an upgrade. So we have 6 lanes, 8. So your new system design might look like this. So basically, this is what you get in a photographic manner. So once you are done with this inputs for road geometry, you can go back to your input page, and your baseline is already there. So you can also decide your illuminance target on the street. So go to a fixture selection tab. You can select one of your choice that you want to make for an, suppose you're replacing sodium vapor lamps with some LED lamp. You can select on an LED lamp, go back to your input page, and see, like I said, this is very useful to make your life cycle cost analysis in terms of maintenance as well. So you can, this figure is already there, you may change it when you are making analysis. I will not change it right now. So, and then once you have done all with all the inputs, you can just calculate your scenario results. So basically, this program doesn't support the software that we have right now. But let me tell you, this is a very easy to use software Excel. You can use it on any laptop with an MS Excel. Basically, what happens is when you are saving your results, that will save your IES file and a CIE file in the same folder that you started off with. So I'm sorry about this because this is not working very well on this laptop. But once you show your results, you will have a screenshot. I mean this report that you can analyze and see if your particular, suppose you are in a corporation and you have particular bid, see if that bid is actually meeting your requirements, and also the cost analysis. So I think just it added. I just want to show you one basic difference that we have on this. Key differences between the IES and CI calculation that this Excel tool basically uses, and otherwise like this tool is available to be downloaded from the supervision.org website, and very simple and very easy to use. It's free of cost, and for any details that someone requires, please contact us for extra queries or training. So thank you.